Welcome to the soap calculator at Cottage DIY, and in just a few moments I'm going to show you exactly how to save your very first soap formula so you can keep it, edit it, and come back anytime. By the end of this video, you'll have your own formula saved to your dashboard and ready to use forever. Now, in the past videos, we've described how to use the calculator and how to get your soap formula saved to your computer and then print it out. Well, you can do this whether you're logged in or not. However, if you are registered and you have an account, you're going to have a few more features at your fingertips that will make crafting your formula all the more convenient. So to save a formula, you'll need at least one oil in your recipe. So let's pick olive oil as an example. Just double-click it from the list, and then you'll see it drop right into your recipe box. And you can add as many oils as you want. The calculator automatically tracks percentages and weights for you. Next, make sure you set the basics, choose your total batch weight, your fragrance load, and whether you're using sodium hydroxide for bar soap or potassium hydroxide for liquid soap. Notice how the properties update instantly as you're adjusting these numbers. So here's the fun part. Your properties and your fatty acid profiles will update as you're adding your oil amounts to give you a live time visual before you hit that calculate button. So you can make any changes as you go before you hit the calculate button, and when you're ready, then go ahead and complete your formula, one of which is the option to save. So let's go ahead and save it. Now, once it's saved, your recipe is now sitting in your private dashboard, and these buttons will flip with even more options. Now, from this point, you can revisit your formula, you can edit it, or you can even publish it to a community gallery. Before I describe how those features work, let's see where your new recipe was saved. Let's move over to My Formulas. The very first collection on this page is your soap formulas, and further down there are places for other calculator formulas, which we'll explain later, but for now, we just want to focus on this first block. Here, you can add as many soap formulas as you like, and then once you go looking for a formula, you can filter your collection in any way that you want. If you want to clear this block out of the way so that you can look for the other formulas below, you just click this little collapse symbol and the whole thing will close right up. And then open it back up to continue with your soap formula search. Go ahead and try this out right now. Add a simple recipe, save it, and then you can see how it feels to have your first formula in your collection. Now, once you've done it, go ahead and drop me a comment below to let me know how easy that layout felt for you. If you wanted to add your opinion on how to get from your saved formula to the dashboard, I'm all ears when it comes to making this as easy as possible. Now, this dashboard that you see here is completely private. You are the only one who can see your own creations. But there may be a reason that you want to share your formula with others. Now, whether you're asking for help, looking for an opinion, or if you're just trying to give out your recipe to help other soap makers, we can do that. In the next video, I'll show you how to take that saved formula and publish it to a gallery so that other makers can see your work. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss it. That is coming up next.